So what if I told you it was possible to train a neural network for one particular cancer with every single patient data across the entire Swedish nation? So what you should talk to them about is federated learning. This is a concept that's relatively new, but so we're actually involved in a project in the UK with King's College London, the NHS, St James Hospital, and various other NHS trust institutions in the UK. Essentially what they do is they take an open source model, right, or an open source data set, or a data set they've been allowed access to by the hospital collaboration that they have, that link, yeah? They train the say 5 different cancer models, yeah? They take those models, they then deploy them to a different hospital. So just the models, no patient data is transferred because you can't garner anything from that model. You then have the model with similar infrastructure at the hospital, so it's fast storage, fast compute, fast networking. You then retrain that model, yeah, with the local data, and you can also use the model straight away if you want to. Once that model is then grown, it's got additional weights because it's learned more from the data that it's had at that new hospital. You can then transfer the changes from that model back to the mothership, if you like. And then once you then start spidering that out to all different hospitals, bringing all of those changes back, you suddenly have a data set, or you suddenly have a model that's trained by several million patient data set types.
Wow.
Cool.
That is smart.
Because when I talked to Air Sweden today, just a couple of hours ago, they said one of the projects they're starting up now is federated learning.
Thank you. Let's help them, and we've done it, right? And and we use a variety of our technologies to enable that. So whether it's Metro Cluster, whether it's our ONTAP AFF, FlexClone, FlexCache technology, data sovereignty, security, encryption, all of the kind of wonderful bells and whistles that we have as a glorious NetApp, those kind of powerful elements can be delivered, and that alongside the compute elements, the frameworks that have been built around federated learning specifically, why reinvent the wheel, right?